Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan watching my YouTube videos and subscribing to my channel. So as we see, we are looking at the videos related to marketing innovation series. In this, today we talk about marketing innovation and enablers. In our previous videos, we discussed about the types of marketing innovation. But now we see how the company needs to focus on something which enable the company to implement the marketing innovation as an aspect. So which is very important for company to know when you are involved in any marketing innovation or the practices, what are the aspects or the enablers that help company to look at that uh, the implementation aspects of marketing innovation. So that is what we will be discussing today. So as you see, whenever the company go for any marketing innovation, what is very important is that innovation, what the company is planning to do, it has to involve the consumers. So it's like if you want to make a sound, you need both the hands. Likewise, if company is involved in any marketing innovation or any kind of aspect which is focusing on consumers, so that has to involve the consumers in that particular innovation practices. So they have to bring out an innovation where the consumer needs to involve, and the degree of involvement talks about the success or failure of the particular innovation practice. So consumer involvement is a paramount aspect, the enabler which a company needs to look at it. So any practices which has to involve consumers and it has to increase involvement of consumers. So then only the particular practice will be a success. And next one, you talk about technology. As we see in all our previous videos of marketing innovation in practice, where the companies are prominently using technology to provide that in the marketing innovation, which is a very primary aspect. So the company needs to use technology very appropriately to create the value to consumers and provide innovation. Number three, the engagement. So whatever the innovation practices the company is coming out of, that has to engage the consumer. So consumer involvement and engagement is a very, very important aspect. So the practices has to be very engaging. So that is where we see the case of the Alibaba's the Homa supermarket, or if you go in for Alibaba's, the hotel, where they have the kind of the technology which the practices, which makes consumer engage. And not only engaging, in order to make consumer coming back, it has to create an excitement. So the excitement is something normally, like the consumers, whenever the consumers get excited, they want to come back. They want to go for a more. So consumer become kids, consumer become fans. So if you see, normally if you look at consumer as a consumer, consumer will keep on going from one company to other company or a brands. But if you convert consumer as a fans, they'll be with you whether the company is a success or failure, whatever product you launch or success or failure, and they will support your company. So it is imperative for a company to convert consumers to fans through their marketing innovation practices. So excitement is a very important. The next aspect, the enabler, is the experience. So ultimately, all these aspects should lead to a experience. A consumer should get the experience of involving that particular the marketing innovation practices. So if they don't get the experience, they will not get the top of mind share, and that will not lead to wallet share. That will not lead to the next aspect. What we see, the enabler is a value. So the experience, which is very important to make consumer understand the value of the particular innovation practices, which the company is offering to consumers. So as you see, these are all the enablers of the marketing innovation. It starts with involving consumers in whatever practices you do, and that particular the innovation you are bringing, which does not involve the consumer involvement, then it is a failure. So number two, technology. So nowadays we have a lot of access to technology, but company needs to use the appropriate technology to create the engagement and excitement and experience. And finally, they have to make consumers realize the value of uh, through that particular marketing innovation practices. So this is where these are all the enablers of the marketing innovation. If any company wants to involve in marketing innovation practices, they have to think of these 6 aspects, starting from consumer involvement, technology, engagement, excitement, and experience, and finally they have to see the value. So otherwise, if consumer does not see the value, it is becoming entertainment. So the entertainment is something which will not make consumers think of the next time, and they will look for. So there will not be any impact. So it is very imperative for the company to create the value in the minds of consumers. So then only they realize the value, and they will come back, and that leads to, as you know, the loyalty and growth. So it's a kind of a cycle what we see in the marketing innovation value chain. So as you see, all these videos which I produced in this marketing innovation series are my original thought process and observing the practices of companies over a period of time, and I'll come out of the series of videos. As you see now, we have 9 videos which talks about the marketing innovation, starting from marketing innovation value chain model. Then we saw the series of videos about marketing innovation practices, starting from interactive, integrated innovation practice, then access innovation practice, retail innovation, experience innovation, and process innovation. And these are all the different types of innovation the company is involved in offering it to the consumers. And finally, we see the what are the enablers. So if the company wants to implement the marketing innovation, so they need to focus on these enablers to make marketing innovation a grand success. So once again, thank you very much for watching my videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. So keep watching for more videos, and subscribe for instant alerts. And please give your comments for me to improve. As you've seen, I have improvised over a period of time. And thanks much on your continuous support. And please look forward for more interesting, unique, trendy, and futuristic videos. Once again, thank you very much for your support.